This is from Naidu. Welcome to SFDC scenarios. Today we will see dynamic styling in LWC with the help of data attributes. So in this scenario, what we do is we are going to create a list of records. It's basically we'll be creating, static records, and then we'll be applying the styles based on some conditions. Okay, so let's get started. Let me create a component. This is related to dynamic styling. So let me name it as dynamic styling. Okay. So now in the JS, what I'll do is I'm going to create a list. Okay. I'm just importing track property. Let me open the HTML as well. Track. So I'm going to create multiple technologies record here. So I'm just naming it as technologies list. This is going to be collection of records. So I'm going to create 3 records here. The first record, this is the second record, and this is the last record. Okay, I'm just putting some ID here. This is the first record, and then technology name. Okay, let me put SFDC here. Let me just copy and paste it for other records as well. So ID2. This is Java. And this is this thing. And this is ID2 and ID3. Okay, so we have done with the JS. Okay, so now let me go to HTML. So now what I'll do is I'm just going to iterate the technologies list. Okay, so I want to apply some conditional styling to the technology name. So based on the value, if it is SFDC, then I just want to put some color. If it is a Java, then I just want to add some color to it. Might be a different color, which is not there for SFDC. Let's say blue. If it is testing, then I just want to apply some green color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to iterate the list, and then I'll be creating data attribute, and then I'll be passing that data attribute value to the CSS, and then I'll be applying the styles in the CSS file. Okay, so now I'm going to iterate it. Okay, and template for each. Since this is not a one record, we have multiple records. So we need to write for loop here. For each, we have the data present in technologies list. I'm going to put the technologies list here, and we need to put some reference as well for item. This is just a reference. We want to access the data from the list. We just need to access with the help of this variable tech items. Okay, so this is a template. And now I'm going to display the data in the form of list. So we need to pass key, since that is a mandatory when you are actually iterating the data. So I'll be just putting key equal to tech items dot id. Okay, and then I'm just going to print tech items dot technology name. Okay, so and then I'll be passing this value to the CSS. Okay, so let me create CSS file here, dynamic styling dot CSS. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just create a data item here, data, and then, okay, let me create one more variable. Let me create one more thing here. So, mm, trending is trending is trending. So, yes. Let me put no here, and let me put some value to testing as well. No, let me put not applicable. Okay. So, okay, and then here I'm going to pass that value here, tech items dot. So is trending. So here let me put that variable name here, trending. Okay, now let me go back to CSS. Then here what I'll do is data. Let me just copy it here. Data is trending equal to, if it is SFDC, I mean, if it is trending, then what I want to do is I just want to apply some blue color to it. Okay, is trending. Then I want to apply blue color to it. Color blue. I want to apply different stylings to other elements as well. Let me just copy and paste it 2 times. So is trending, sorry, if is trending equal to, you have to put the value here. So if it is yes, then I'll be just applying blue color. If it is no, then I'll be putting some red color. If it is none, if it is not applicable, then I'm going to put it is not applicable, then I'll be just highlighting with some different color. Not applicable, then I'll be putting green here. Let me just deploy it. So let me just go back to the developer console and let me include the component name here. So what is your component name? So dynamic styling. So let me just click on preview. See how it is coming. So SFDC, since SFDC is trending, so I'm just highlighted the text with a blue color. Java is not trending. I have highlighted with the red color. Testing, this is not applicable. I'm just highlighting with green color. Okay, so let me just explain this code one more time. So what I've done is I just created a list. I'm just iterating the list in the HTML, and then I'm passing some data ID here. So this data ID should be in lowercase letter. If you're trying to give uppercase letter, it doesn't work here in LWC. Okay, so I'm just putting is trending value to this data attribute. I'm just sending it to the CSS. And if it is yes, I'm just highlighting in a different color based on the is trending value. Okay, so this would be very beneficial. Let's say you have a collection of data. When you want to highlight the data based on some condition, this scenario would be very simple. Thanks for watching this video.